Good morning, everybody.
Morning, sir.
How are you today?
Great, sir.
So, let me introduce myself. My name is Mr. John, and
My name is Miss Karin.
yeah, so we are here as A1 movers to coaching you. It's about Cambridge assessment. And now, before we start, why, guys, you want to take about Cambridge assessment? Do you know the reason? Kenapa sih kita harus take Cambridge assessment, apalagi di level yang kalian sekarang itu A1 movers gitu? So why? Oke, nah jadi teman-teman harus tahu dulu nih gitu bagaimana sih si Cambridge-nya sendiri di dalam level A1 movers. Scope of content that we want to explain here is about introductions, listening sections, reading and writing, speaking sections, and also about scaffolding. And scaffolding is about bagaimana teman-teman mengerjakan nanti soalnya secara tepat dan cepat gitu kan. Jadi itu it's about strategy and tips and trick gitu. Nah, teman-teman harus tahu dulu nih introductions apa sih yang disebut dengan si Cambridge-nya sendiri. Ada yang udah familiar?
Okay, so what is Cambridge assessment? So for A1 mover, is the second of 3 Cambridge English qualification designed for young learners. This has introduced children to everyday written and spoken English and are an excellent way for them to gain confidence and improve their English.
Yes, that's right. Well, this is the first step. Okay, the first step to you to move into your dream, right? Who wants to study abroad? Who wants to study abroad? You, yeah. Where do you want to study?
Where do you
Yeah. Where is it?
Maybe UK.
UK. Nah, that's right. Because you are guys lucky here. Yeah, ETU provide you how the way that learn about Cambridge assessment because it's the step, okay? Nah, that's why Cambridge in A1 itu adalah introduce children to everyday written. Nah, the scope of A1 movers is elementary because you are guys elementary now, so the scope is specific for elementary. Nah, like why? Gitu. Kenapa sih kita harus taking Cambridge assessment? Now you learn, okay, about Cambridge assessment, and then you can study abroad in UK. It's your dream, right? Yes. And also Australia, USA, and Canada. Cambridge exams are designed to develop real life English skills. Jadi adalah kesempatan bagi teman-teman untuk belajar di luar negeri. Tapi misalkan ya, Miss Karin, kalau misalkan kita hanya belajar di Indonesia aja bisa nggak? Gitu.
Oh, tentu saja bisa, karena di beberapa PTN,
Yes,
ya,
that's right.
memang Cambridge seperti UGM, UI,
Nah,
karena
betul.
UI juga sudah international curriculum.
Ya, beberapa kampus di Indonesia juga sudah provide istilahnya itu kalau misalnya kalian ke suatu tempat melalui jalan tol itu kan gampang ya pakai akses tol. Nah, sama seperti Cambridge. Jadi kalau misalnya teman-teman sudah mempunyai sertifikat Cambridge tersebut, itu tuh sebagai sarana mempermudah teman-teman untuk masuk ke perguruan tinggi seperti itu. Ya, nah, terus gimana sih caranya sekarang? How the way?
Okay, so how? Candidates are able to communicate in everyday situation with commonly used expression and elementary vocabulary. The tests are written around familiar topics and focus on the skills needed to communicate effectively in English through listening, speaking, reading, and writing.
Yes, that's right. Nah, bagaimana caranya? Teman-teman harus mengetahui bahwa di Cambridge Assessment itu terdiri dari 4 skill. Okay, now let's move the types. Nah, here teman-teman harus tahu juga bagaimana tipe-tipe soalnya. Tadi you have to know also the length and how many part and also how many questions. Yeah, so the total of the time is 1 hour 2 minutes. Jadi teman-teman dalam mengerjakan semua keseluruhan listening, reading dan writing dan juga speaking itu totalnya adalah 1 jam plus 2 menit gitu. Oke, nah for the first step itu biasanya teman-teman fokusnya about listening. Nanti setelah mengerjakan listening itu ada durasi jeda untuk masuk ke soal reading and writing. Nah kemudian setelah selesai reading and writing ada jeda juga untuk masuk ke speaking sections. Dan itu nanti you are one by one gitu. Nanti ada
in different room, yes.
Yeah, it's in different room. Okay. This one also you have to know the score gitu. Jadi teman-teman juga harus tahu scope of score untuk mencapai achieve dari 4 skill tadi, yaitu listening, reading and writing, and also speaking ya. Nah, where are you now? Here, right? Okay, in Cambridge assessment also you got a shield. Jadi ini disebutnya adalah perisai gitu. Nah, the minimum score is 100 for A1. Okay, minimum score is 100 for A1. How many shields that you got? For shield, because you are mover, yeah. Nah, and also for the maximum of the score is 110, right? Ya, 110. How many shield? Ada 5 shield juga. Nah, jadi nanti gimana caranya untuk mendapatkan 5 shield gitu? Bagaimana cara scoring di listening, bagaimana cara scoring di reading and writing, terus gimana nanti cara di speaking scoringnya hingga mencapai total skornya 110 gitu. Minimum skornya adalah 100 ya. This is the one of example of your certificate. Jadi nanti contoh sertifikat teman-teman seperti ini. Nah, namanya siapa, kemudian place-nya di mana. Nah, inilah yang tadi I mentioned before. Jadi di sini dia berbentuk perisai. Misal di reading and writing teman-teman mendapatkan hanya 3 perisai saja, berarti kan 2 perisai kosong. Nah, nanti ada witness di bawah, nanti dijelaskan kenapa teman-teman mendapatkan 3 perisai, 2 perisainya itu kenapa gitu. Nanti ada description di bawah untuk skill yang reading and writing. Kemudian di listening juga misal mendapatkan 4 perisai terus 1 perisainya lagi ada scope weakness-nya gitu. Apa yang harus diimprove teman-teman di listening dan juga di speaking. Nah, di speaking itu complete ya, 5 shield ya namanya. There are also the descriptions. For example, you can understand very simple English conversation, you can understand very simple spoken English description. Berarti ini scope of about vocabulary and grammar gitu. You can describe things. Nah, ini scope of speaking ya, Miss ya. Yeah, because in speaking you got 5 shields tadi gitu. Ini scope-nya. Dan di bawah itu biasanya ada description juga, the weakness dan juga diberitahukan apa saja yang harus diimprove gitu. Oke. Nah, tapi di A1 key itu dia ada scoringnya dan ada gradesnya. Kalau dia di A1 movers and then A2 flyers itu dia scope-nya like this one. There is no score but shields. Ya, kalau di atas A1 web key ya, dia B1 A2 key and so on itu ada scoringnya gitu. Okay, now take a look at of the listening.